Hey guys, my name is Hans and welcome to the workshop. In this video we are gonna make a forge for blacksmithing and especially making big Damascus billets. This forge has been designed in SolidWorks, so all the drawings and 3D files are available at the webshop. Gentle Knives, link will be in the description. I've decided to make this forge out of stainless steel because I've never seen it been done before, and then we'll have to paint it, and I think it will look very cool once the forge has been heated up. It will have like I think it will have like a gray coloring from the heat. All these parts have been laser cut and bent at the screw that I go to. So the next step will be to start welding up all the seams. So yeah, I really hope you enjoy this video. The castable refractory has now been cast in the flooring, the forge and the two doors. So now I'm going to clean it up with this tool, and it will also leave a very nice finish. And then the next step will be to weld these on to here. These will hold the mechanism that will open and close the door. And for the burner, we're gonna use a rim burner. I purchased this burner from Essential Craftsman, and he seemed to have great success with these burners. So next step is to weld some angle iron on the sides, so it can sit on top of the forge. The original idea was to have a couple of holes in the handle here and a hole in the plate, so I can have the door in a couple of positions using a pin. But instead I think we're gonna have these spring plates between the handle and the plate here, and when tightening this bolt it will create a lot of friction, which will allow the door to stay at any position, which I think will be a lot more convenient when forging, since I can do it with only one hand. forge worked very well. It could easily get up to welding temperature, which is where we usually will have it, since we make a lot of Damascus here. And it didn't change color as much as I thought it would. Even after running for like 45 minutes, the outside of the forge never got over 200 degrees, which is very nice. It just shows that we insulated this forge very well. Because this forge is like a U shape, when heating up the U like expands, which means there's an overlap here of about 10 millimeters when getting hot. So I'm gonna push it together here and weld some plates on the side to accommodate for that. Yeah. Hey guys, thanks for watching through to the end. The forge is now done and it works very well. It's a lot bigger than the forge I've been using the past 4 or 5 years, so I'll be able to stuff a lot more steel in, which means I can do bigger Damascus projects in the future, which I'm very excited about. Make sure to check out my webshop where you'll be able to purchase the drawings for this forge. You'll be able to get the SolidWorks 3D files, the SolidWorks drawing files, and the PDF files of the drawings, plus DXF files for laser cutting, if you have access to a laser cutter. With these drawings you can either copy my forge or use them for inspiration to build the forge to the specs you need. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you next time.